What you doing, girl? Cutest puppy in the world. Isn't she? Ow. Cute. She got a new collar today. So proud. So proud of my little baby girl. Yes, I am.
How'd that feel?
Pretty girl.
You don't want her education? Get out of my cabinet. What it look like? What you tell me what it look like? The kind you eat.
Oh, the door's open.
You ain't gonna eat them.
No, it's not.
You gonna eat them.
You told that was what you were looking at. Your ear. Move your ear like that. Come here. Come here. Little sweetie. Little sweetie. Little sweetie. Ow. Don't you bite. Ow, 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 ow. Ow. Look at those fangs. Ooh. They hurt.
You know what that is?
Oh, Paul.
You some cereal too.
Hurt my eardrum.
Oh, it's Pops up there. Nobody eats Pops, Mama.
Well, you don't eat cereal then, boy.
Who eats Pops?
You don't eat cereal. What the hell wrong with you? When you start providing, that's when you can make a choice on what you get. I tell you, sit your ass down and shut your damn mouth. Your damn problem right now. Run your mouth too much. I was hoping you would act like you want to get mad when she's being on house, but tear your ass up. You think you're out of the hot water. See, that's what's wrong right now. You do something, it ain't no severe punishment.
Boy, girl.
If it was up to me, you'll be in your room until Sunday.
No licking.
Till Sunday.
Why are you... No, you're not supposed to lick that.
You don't give a damn what I'm talking about. I don't care.
I love
If it was me, your punishment would be in that room till Sunday. You come out and eat, you'll take your bath, and you'll go to bed.
Shit, me and you love each other.
No,
I know, shit.
don't try to
Anything
keep
else?
it because I'm saying so.
Anything.
Because you ain't gonna stick to it. You're too soft.
Anything. Anything, boo-boo.
Video game.
Ow, ow, ow. Please stop biting my finger. Will you
You can't
please?
be soft all the time and
Will
want
you
to be
pretty,
hard
pretty?
every now and then.
Thank you.
You gotta do one way all the time.
Hey. I appreciate it.
Because you take your kind of...
Now she kissed me instead of biting my cheek. Really?
I'm sure you think twice about doing it again.
I'm surprised you did that to me. How dare you, little puppy? You did in the camera. You did in the camera. I'm gonna smash your face in it. Smash, smash.
You're gonna show your ass like that.
Smash my face. Smash my face.
That's what Miss Reed said, so you call her
Smash. Smash. Ow.
We're gonna teach it.
Ooh.
Who's sitting in his chair?
Did he give out an assignment? So you disrupting his teaching.
Mwah. You're mean. You're mean, little puppy. Did you ever notice that? Let's go in the living room. Ah, you want me to
Get them tampons off the bed. Okay.
Come on. Come
Get them pads off the
on. My feet hurt. Oh yeah, my feet hurt. My feet hurt so much. But anyways, you can no longer see us because we were no longer over there near the light. But let me open the light. Let me open the light. The lightness.
Because if you went to a restaurant and that's packed, you would raise all kinds of shit.
There she is. Oh no, she's went into the darkness. Pup, get over here. Puppy. I can see her. There she is.
Looking through you.
Hey.
Straight through you.
She has a brand new
I don't
collar.
even see you. I look
A
straight
brand new collar.
Yeah, go put that up. I'm not doing this money.
I've been recording for 4 minutes now. I think I'm almost tired. Say bye-bye, Pup. We love you. You said you love him? Give him a kissy. in the camera. Yum. Dinner. It's been 5 minutes now.
Put them crackers.
I can't. I take myself a pizza.
Eat them crackers.